Hello YouTubers. This is another video of a knife that I purchased back in the 1980s. It's a Schrade LB7 and 3-pin. I'll open it up for you. Okay, here's a look at it. To start off with, this is the case it comes with. It's a leather case. And it says Schrade. Well-built case. Belt leather loop for the belt. Nice stitching all the way around. This case is held up well. Okay, back to the knife. This is a Schrade LB7. It's a 3-pin. It's probably mid-80s knife. They made them earlier than that. They were called 4-pin knives. Let's take a look at it here. As you can see, it has the brass liners. It's called Schrade Plus. Nice looking brass liners. I cleaned the brass up with Brasso, which it was looking pretty bad shape because I had stored it in the leather case for many years and it turned green. And as you can see, this has got nice color to the handles on it. The 2 pins, this one and this one, are brass pins. That is a stainless pin. This knife is also numbered. As you can see, there's the numbers on it. They were numbered back in the day, as I guess when you bought it new, if you lost it, they would replace it free of charge. I never did lose mine, so I never had it replaced. To close it, you push back down on this end piece here and then pull the knife down. Well, there you go, YouTubers. Give me a like and subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching. And there will be some pictures at the end of the video to watch also. Thank you.